This video will cover how to change a cabin air filter on this 2015 Chevy Equinox 2.4 liter. The filter compartment is located behind the glove box. As you open the door all the way down, look on top of the inside compartment. You'll notice the stopper that prevents it from going any further. By closing the compartment about an inch, you can bend the back of the wall compartment just enough to clear it, and the whole glove box will drop further. Now that you have it free from the stopper, just lift the compartment and you will hear it unhook from the hinge. Just to show the way it's attached to the hinge, on the bottom of the box you will see the hooks. And at the bottom of the opening on the dashboard, you will see the hinge rod they were hooked onto. On the dashboard opening, you will notice a door with two latches. Lift the tab inside the latch with your thumb and pull the tab away from the compartment with your index finger on each side. And lift the lid up out of the way. If the filter is too far in, use pointy pliers to pull it out enough to be able to grab each side. As you slide it out, try to hold it upright so the dust doesn't fall on your interior floor. As you see, this was overdue for a change. You'd be surprised how much debris and dust accumulates on these filters. Now take the new filter that fits this vehicle. Make sure the arrows face down. Insert it into the housing, pushing each side in. If you feel it getting caught on the sides, using a long flat screwdriver, insert it between the filter and the housing and slowly push the filter in. Do this on each side if needed. Once it gets past the snagging rivets, push the filter all the way in until flush. Close the lid and clip each latch back on. Place the glove box hooks back on the hinge. Once you hear they clicked back on, you can pull the stop tab past the stopper. Close the door to make sure it's properly reinstalled by trying it a few times. Hopefully this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comments and check the description for links of all the parts and tools we used. Thank you for watching. You all have a great day.